2017, so here we are. I forgot to record at home before I left. Right now I'm in the taxi because hubby couldn't take me today because of work, and the timings of what I'm going to show you guys changed, so that's why things got a little bit different today. And right now I'm going to Madinat Jumeirah because Paris Opera Ballet is here in UAE, and they're going to have some concerts in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. So today they're rehearsing because last night they just landed here in Dubai. So I am so happy I was invited to watch them rehearsing before the actual show. I love ballet and opera and plays and all these silly things, and you guys know that. So I'm actually really happy that I got the opportunity to see that, because I've never seen a grand show being rehearsed like this. So I'm really excited to see it. And as a coincidence, I was just talking to Hamza about watching the Bolshoi Ballet when we are in Russia sometime soon. And then we had to delay the Russia trip. So I was kind of upset about it. And then right after that, I got this beautiful surprise that is watching the Paris Opera Ballet. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So before we get there, don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. You just need to press the red button right down here. And if you want to receive the notifications every time I post a new video and you don't want to miss it, press the bell. Every time I record a new video, you're going to receive the notification right onto your phone if you press the bell. But you have to press the bell, okay? Don't forget that. And if you like this video, already leave a like. It helps me so much. And let's go. what do you guys think? I'm so excited for Friday. Everything was so beautiful. So I can't wait to come back Friday, and I hope to see you guys here too. Now I'm just rushing because I need to go and meet hubby. He came to pick me up, even though he couldn't drop me here. He came to pick me up. So let's see what we're gonna do after here. Not really sure what's going to happen, so bye. This Christmas
from my parents.
This late Christmas from that's so cute. Your parents?
Yeah.
Thank you. That's super cute. And hubby also showed me that they just gave me this cute kit. I think I'm getting known for bathtub showers now. So this is gonna look super cute in the bathroom. I'm gonna keep it exactly as it is. And it's glittery. There's yours too. That's so cute. We keep where?
To use.
No, where do we keep these things?
What?
Your favorite thing in the living room?
Cristalera.
The cristalera. There are many.
They're just three.
Three?
Yeah.
Three are many.
Yeah.
That's super cute. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And where are we right now?
Mall of Emirates.
Mall of Emirates. Yes. For?
Food and our regular shit.
Let's go. So, we are at the mall. We want to watch a movie, but it's still very early. Hubby wants to watch The Great Wall, but I don't want to watch The Great Wall. So we're gonna watch cartoon. I don't want to laugh today. I have been a little low, so I want to laugh. So he's buying the tickets on the phone because we don't want to face the line. So we're right in front of the movies buying buying tickets on the phone, because why not? So the movie's at 9 p.m. and it's still 20 to 7. So we have a lot of time on our hand right now. And I don't know what to do. I don't want to shop anything because we were here like 2 days ago for 4 hours. And we bought more than we could carry, as you guys can see on the pictures on Instagram that I'm going to put right here. So, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Most probably we're going to eat because that's what we do.
Babe, are you being a 5-year-old? That's how happy she is. Just like a 5-year-old.
But she was so pretty.
She was.
She was so cute.
So kawaii.
Yeah. So now we're back home. Don't mind my clothes. I hugged Charlie after I came back home. That's why you may see some furs. We watched Sing. Babe, is it called Sing?
Yeah.
Sing or Singers?
Sing.
Sing. We watched Sing, the animation, and it was so cute. It was so cute. I totally recommend.
This was so intentional. That is good.
My husband is taking toilet paper. I need to tell that to the entire world.
You were so not intentional.
If you guys saw the toilet paper vlog, I'm gonna leave it right here on the card so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm talking about my husband and toilet paper. My husband is a professional toilet paper buyer. Anyway, as I was saying, we watched Sing and it was super cute. I recommend. It was like a mix of touching and fun, and like it's not only great for kids, I also had shitloads of fun. And my husband said he cried, but then he said I was just joking. But there were some really touchy parts. I totally recommend for you guys to go and watch it before it leaves the theaters. You guys also saw the Ballet Grand Gala, and it's going to be now this weekend here in UAE. I really hope you guys go and watch it because I only saw the rehearsals and it was so beautiful. I'm gonna be there on Friday and I hope to see you guys there as well. We have bought, as you guys also saw, some new decorations from Home Center. I know everybody has been asking so much for the home tour. I still could not. It's always impossible to record in this house. It's a war 24/7.
They're hitting each
I
other.
forgot what I was saying.
It's never possible to record in this house.
Oh my god, see? And now my computer is on. These cats are killing me! And I'm having something on this plate right now. Let me try to see what I was saying. We went to Home Center, as you guys saw. We bought some new decoration. Everybody has been asking for a home tour. I'm really sorry I could not do it yet. There are many furniture that we still don't have, that we still didn't receive. So many things in that house is still so messy. And it frustrates me a lot. You guys don't know the frustration I leave constantly with the house because it's not ready. I cannot invite anyone over. And I'm such a perfectionist. I'm not going to call people over with still so many carton boxes everywhere. So I promise as soon as the house is ready, I'm going to make a blog post about it with all the details. I'm going to make a vlog showing everything, all the details, walking you guys through, showing before and afters from this apartment. I hope you guys had fun with us today. I really loved it. I want to continue with these vlogs. So to know if you guys are enjoying it, if this is the way to go, please don't forget to leave a like. It's so important for me. I not only know how you guys are going, liking, it's kind of a feedback for me, but also helps my channel to grow so I can keep bringing more and more amazing content for everyone. If you didn't subscribe yet, don't forget to subscribe. Click a button right here. It's the red button. If it's red, that means you didn't subscribe yet, and this is wrong. Click it, make it gray, okay? And if you want to receive notifications every time I post a new video, don't forget to click on the bell that is right by the side of the subscribe button. Hope to see you guys soon. It was my pleasure. Bye. I got the opportunity to see that because I've never seen a grand show being rehearsed like this, so I'm really excited to see it. And as a coincidence, I was just talking to Hamza about watching the Bolshoi Ballet here in Dubai. So I am so happy I was invited to watch them rehearsing before the actual show. I love ballet and opera and plays and all these silly things, and you guys know that. So I'm actually really happy that I'm a new old girl. As I promised you guys, so many more videos for 2017, so here we are. I forgot to record at home before I left. Right now I'm in the taxi because hubby couldn't take me today because of work, and the timings of what I'm going to show you guys changed, so that's why. Welcome back. Things got a little bit different today. And right now I'm going to Madinat Jumeirah because Paris Opera Ballet is here in UAE and they're going to have some concerts in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. So today they're rehearsing because last night they just landed